Hello. Today we're going to go over simple Linux commands. This will just be going through your directories, creating a new file, saving your file. If you're interested in how to set up Linux on your own, then comment below. I won't shame you for not knowing. I'll actually create a video explaining how to do it. So the first command that I'm going to show you is ls -l, and -l just means list. So this will list all the current directories and files. So files and directories. So this right here is a file. .text, .php is a file, and then the blues here are actually directories or folders. If you're more familiar with like a Windows operating system. So to go into a directory, we type cd and then the name of the directory. So we're going to do test right now. So this will take us to test. So if you can see here, we were in www and now we're in test. So now if we ls -l again, there's nothing in here, which is fine. We're going to create a file. So the way to do that is you type nano, which is nano is similar to like Notepad, and then you type the file that you want. So we'll just type hello.txt. So this would be a text file. And then it opens this up, and this is essentially our Notepad, right? So now we can type hello, and we'll put a smiley face here. Now to save it, you just type Control S, and that saves. And then to get out of this, you type Control X. Right now, if we go in and ls -l again, you'll see our hello.txt file is here. Now to go back to the previous directory, so if we want to go back to www, we would go type cd and then ... How if we ls -l, that takes us back. Now I want to clear the screen. So all you do is type clear and boom, cleared. Okay, the last two things I want to show you are how to remove a file and how to remove a directory. So the way to remove a file is pretty straightforward. It's just rm remove and then the file name. So we're going to remove test.txt, and then it will ask you if you want to remove it. You just type yes, and now it's gone. So if we ls -l, disappeared from the face of the earth. To remove a directory is a little different. So you have to do this. You have to do rm -fr, lowercase f, uppercase R, and then test, which is the directory name, and then it's gone. So do ls -l, and it's removed from our server now. And now clear it again. So that is the basic commands. If you need a reference, I have a website in the description, ryanswiki.com. Feel free to check it out. I have all the Linux commands as well as a bunch of other stuff on there for free. You don't need to sign up. Originally you did, but I'm taking that away because I think it's a pain in the ass. So feel free to check it out and subscribe if you want more stuff similar to this, or let me know what you want below. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.